Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to use some function in Excel such as the unique and data validation. So let's dive into what we have today. So firstly, when we want to extract out unique or distinct value from a group of data in a column, so use equals to unique. We highlight all the cells we want to extract the unique values from. We close the bracket, we hit the enter key. So let's also repeat that for the region's name. So click on unique, highlight all the cells we want to get the unique values from, then we close the bracket and hit the enter key. Then finally we have to click on data to get our data validation. Then click on data validation, click on list, then the source. You click on the first cell under the sales agent, then you type the hashtag symbol. Okay, then you click on OK. Then also repeat that for the region name. Click on data, click on the drop down, data validation, click on list. Then from the source also click on the first cell, then we close it with an hashtag symbol. Okay, then click on OK. Then finally our drop down is here, it's ready, and that's how to use data validation and the unique value. Thank you.